Hi everyone, hope you are fine. In my today's video, I'll tell you how you can fix the OTG problem in your device OPPO A54. So if in this device OPPO A54, if you are having any problem like your OTG is not working or not connecting with any device, you can easily fix it by the way as I will show you. Before we start it, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon. Follow the steps, watch till end and you will learn how you can fix the OTG problem in your device. Let's watch the video.